In this video, we'll show you how you can use extensions on your Chromebook.
Hi, I am Nicola Graham, one of the co-founders of Simplify Change, who are a business adoption consultancy, here to help you and your teams adopt new products quickly, efficiently, and with a little extra panache. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy using your Chromebook. Now, let's get into the video.
Extensions give your Chromebook more features and functionality without having to launch an additional application. To find an extension you need, go to the Chrome Web Store. On the left-hand column, click Extensions. When you find the extension that you need, click Add to Chrome. The extension will then appear in Chrome as buttons on the toolbar or under the puzzle piece. When clicking on the puzzle piece, you can click on the extension you want to open. You can also pin them to the Chrome bar. You will find your extensions by clicking the menu on Chrome, More Tools, then Extensions.
At Simplify Change, it is our mission to change the world of change by bringing you fast, simple, and creative solutions that work, so that you can have a successful adoption in any change your organisation is going through. Why not visit our website at www.simplifychange.co.uk and learn more about how we utilise our very own B methodology into our change projects, including training your project teams on how they too can become mini change managers by using our framework. We also talk about how we are gamifying the corporate world with our range of adoption games. Meanwhile, if you would like to learn more about Chromebook and other new technologies and solutions for your organisation, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.